Looking good, sir.
Okay, one of those days. Decided to make another video today. So it's not every time we make videos, especially some customers that doesn't really like their vehicles. We protect their privacy.
Yes, sir.
We respect that. So this Bob's in here. Bob's in here is an artist, you know, and he also works as secret palace. Permission was granted. Apart from that, there are other various vehicles around here that we work on.
Yeah.
And I don't know if they have forgotten that this is the only celebrity mechanic workshop in Nigeria, actually. So this is a Porsche Cayenne, yeah. And also, you remember, there's a Porsche Cayenne that we just delivered a few days ago.
Yeah.
And we did AC work on it. We did engine. We replaced the engine because the engine was bad. Yeah. The vehicle was actually taken to several mechanic workshops, and the engine was damaged. And they were not able to fix the AC. They were not able to fix the engine performance. Yeah. And now, Bobson saw this vehicle, and it's a twin of his vehicle, right? Same color and everything. So he was impressed with what we did, and he sent his car down. So right now, Mr. Demola is working on the show Demola. Demola is working on the AC. That's our AC specialist. Yeah. And see, when we touch your AC, you see this Nigerian weather. See the way I'm sweating. You're not going to sweat. You're going to chill. And now, Mr. Demola, come and bring some of your the AC parts out. So we placed an order for these parts. Remember what we talked about Porsche? We don't use any used part, whether it's Tokumbo, whether it's Belgian, we don't care about it, right? So if we don't use OEM, brand new, trust us, we're not going to use that. This is the compressor of the vehicle, right? We diagnosed the vehicle and we discovered that the compressor was faulty. It's an automatic compressor, so you know what happens when dirt and debris get into an automatic compressor, it damages it. So we recommended we replace the automatic compressor back, and we're not going to put manual or all these ones that they convert. We're not going to do that. We stick to manufacturer specification, right? And the condenser too has to be replaced. Now the reason why we are replacing this component is there's already dirt in the system. We're going to flush it, and the condenser is already dirty. If you just put the compressor and ignore the condenser, because of the dirt that is already trapped in the condenser, it's going to damage the brand new compressor. So we're not going to do that, right? Once we're done with this, it's going to chill, it's going to be cold, and it's going to be perfect. So this customer also said we should upgrade his lights,
which is what we like.
So another thing now, you see, when people hear upgrade, they be like, upgrade. You don't have to change the whole vehicle to get an upgrade, right? Where's the light? Mr. Victor. So this is our vendor manager. He's in charge of, if you need a spare part, call him. He's going to provide it for you. Whether it's in Nigeria or anything, if it's not available, this guy is he knows how to get it. So where's the old light? Now look at this. So Collins, hold this.
Okay.
Is this for this side?
Yeah, this for that side.
No, this for this side.
This for this side. Alright.
So check the difference, guys.
It looks super. And this is the same headlight you get in the new 911, by the way. So it's super clean.
He just wants something simple. He also has intention to do body work on this car. But he doesn't like the way the light is looking. Everybody has the same light. They want to be different. And with this simple little details, it can be different on the road. Right? So Bobson, well done, you tried. So this light is not the regular light you see on the Porsche. This is for newer model, and you can see it has 4 LEDs inside instead of just this single one. So it's going to be brighter, not just brighter, finer, and looks more cool. We are doing some other suspension work. Now, when I drove this vehicle personally, I don't know if did you drive it? You didn't. When I drove it, the suspension was bad. This is a brand new shock absorber of the car.
Nigeria road has got into the car.
Exactly. So it was just bouncing, you know. And when we completed our diagnosis, we discovered several things. Now, what we do here, because the way we work here, we try to rectify all the problems, all the predicaments in your car. Right? We don't do. You can decide to do phase by phase depending on your budget, but when we do everything at once, it feels like brand new. I don't have any reason coming back to the workshop. So in 6 months, in a year, the only thing you're going to be doing is maintenance, routine maintenance. This is the back of the vehicle, and as you can see, Technician Marvelous and What's this guy's name? Sunday is working on this car already. So this is the shock absorber we are changing. And come closer, you can see it's already leaking. Now the hydraulics, the fluid inside this shock absorber has shortened, and that is why the dampening force has reduced
As
and
we
it's
do.
just
Yeah,
bouncing,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So, and as you can see too, this is supposed to be the front stabilizer linkage of this car. The supposed stabilizer linkage. Now it is now stabilizer. I don't know what to
It's
call
not
it
linking anything anymore.
because it's not linking anything anymore. There's supposed to be bushing inside there. Now the bushing is completely cut. You can see the difference. This is how it's supposed to be. Now tell me why your vehicle shouldn't be making noise. So these are the things we do, guys. The
Yeah.
air filter is dirty. We're replacing all the brake pad sensors that should be replaced. Anytime we are replacing brake pad on this vehicle, the sensors will be replaced. You don't have any reason to come back 6 months, 1 year when everything is rectified.
Yeah.
$100 don't hit my car. $100 don't hit my car.
DJ Psychotic, baby.
Say pops in your papa them. Say me I know they pop for them. Oh, I bring another style tune to your radio. You see, say I scatter them. Say girls them yapayaski. Man them with the khaki. Man them never see me vibe like this. Shaku shaku in a the party. Oh, eh. Make you feel alright, man. All get there. Make you dance all night, man. Lost to Make you dance all night. Make you feel alright.